Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divine Vera Vlogs. We're here now in Lisbon, Portugal. Pwede naman tayong mag-explore. Tok-tok. Sila yung mga tok-tok. Tok-tok yan, di ba, te? That's what you call tok-tok. Okay. Ito yung ano. O, ayan.
Asan yung parang simbahan dyan?
Doon tayo sa gitna eh. Diba? Gigitna tayo.
O, diretso tayo doon.
Come on. Let's go. This is where the square, going to the square. Here in Lisbon, this is one of the famous places. Wait a minute. I know where to go. Eto before, this is the where the shuttle bus stops.
Hindi, diretso na doon sa loob. Ito, magpapasok na tayo eh.
Ganun na rin yun, te. Mas maganda nga, nakita natin to. Ayan!
Ayun tayo eh. Diretso pala tayo natin, nakita natin yung alihok. Dapat umakit tayo.
Bakit saan ba gusto pumunta? Eto, te, maganda to. Wait lang. Pwede na bang maglakad? O, pwede maglakad, te. This is the square. And the triangle. This is the square. Te, dito may McDonald's, di ba? May McDonald's dito. Asan mo pa gusto? Ayun na pataas. Dito? Oh, sige. Pero mas ano dito? May Benetton dyan na ano eh, yung sa Salahere. At saka nandito yung sikat na original na custard cake.
Ganyan, tart.
Hindi ka. Custard cake. O sige. Okay, we're going to find one of the original custard cake here in Lisbon. Ayan, yung ganyan. Yeah, those were the shops. Uhlenbergerska. Wala pang sale ngayon. Oo, yan, dyan. Puro sale na yan. O, pasok daw. May mga cork sila, cork. Cork bags and wallets. Cork bags and wallets. Ito yung mga these are the places that to die for. Oo. Sige ka lang po. Maraming shops dito, yan, ganyan. Shops, bars, and resto here in Lisbon. Hanap tayo ng custard tart mamaya. Doon sa medyo unahan yun eh. Hintayin ko lang si ate. Street dancing. This one. Paborito nata. Pastis de nata. Pastis de nata. Going to buy this. Excuse me, madam. Magkano kaya ito? One of the famous. Yeah. How much?
130.
€1?
Yes.
Okay, just give me 6 pieces. 6 pieces. Take away, please. Thank you.
You want a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You can pay my phone there, okay?
Okay. Thanks. So now, I'm going to eat paella. Seafood paella. Pero it costs only like €18. For 2 na yon. So, 9. Okay na yon, diba? We're going to galing. Mahilig talaga sila sa sweets. Ano mga Portuguese. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa entrada ng Lisbon, Portugal. Square. May ganyan siya, Ay. Human statue. Human statue siya. O, di ba ganun? Human statue. And this is the tram. Wow, lovely! Ang ganda na ng weather dito. The wind is so nice, so fresh. Ang saya. Tumingala siya. Titingala rin tayo, ha? Tingala rin tayo. Yan. Ay! Make the most of it here in Lisbon. Make the most of it, dear. That's the river where all the trading started here in Lisbon, Portugal. Hi guys, very nice. Grabe yung weather, very relaxing. Okay guys, if you like my video for today, just click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you so much!